Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the products I bought from Amazon from a brand called Biling. This solar motion sensor light outdoor is 202 LED solar security light with a motion sensor, so you don't have to do any electricity or anything like that. It's already built in, so it charged in the morning from the sun and it turns on a light like you see right now. You see all these LED lights, and there's a button that you just click to just activate it. That's all what you have to do. So let's talk about the package they offer. They have 2 back, 4 back, and a 6 backs. I get the 4 one and I'm gonna install that in the front in my garage. Before first use, please place the solar light for charge with the sunlight for 8 to 10 hours. Cover the solar panel, then turn on the light to test. The solar light should be installed in a place where all the sunshine is available. Each lighting time is about 20 seconds and can be extended for another 20 seconds if detected again. This wider lighting angle, large cover, solar outdoor lights equipped with a high power of 202 LEDs and 270 wide lighting angle. The solar motion sensor outdoor light can provide excellent brightness, cover of up to 320 foot. It's also designed to protect your eyes and provide brighter lighting. It's IP65 waterproof solar motion sensor outdoor. It's also wireless and easy to install, so there is no wired or anything like that. It can cover up to 13 to 19 foot. Biling solar motion sensor outdoor lighting have passed FCC CE ROSH certification. This solar outdoor lights promise a 30-day refunded and 1-year warranty replacement service. And if you have any question, please contact the seller. Let's go back to my garage now. I installed the 4 lights and I'm gonna show you how this light just turn on when I just pass next to it. Let's see what we got here. Thank you so much, Biling, for making this solar motion light. It's amazing. It just turned my garage to like the morning time. Thank you so much for watching.